I'm going to eat all the food in the fridge. Hey 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 hiya. Okay, now I got all the food in the fridge, it's time to eat them all. Wow. That was delicious.
Really, Elsa? Why would you eat all the food in the fridge? I just spent all the money to buy some food from the grocery store at Walmart. Even worse, you made it empty. And got yourself fat. Now because of you, I have to ask your mom to buy some food from Walmart. That is it. You are grounded for 5 weeks. I will take you to the fitness center to get that weight out of you. Go to your room right now.
All right, Dad. I will go to my room now.